Welcome to Getting Started with Kittl. In this video, we'll go over the Kittl home screen, getting into the editor, editing a design, and how to download your design. On the Kittl homepage, you can peruse a variety of different templates and a wide range of topics from logos to t-shirts, cards, and more. You can also search trending tags and even change the filters here above the templates. You can view a preview of these templates by clicking on them and even use them, but for now, let's click New Project up here next to your profile picture. This will bring us to the Kittl editor, where you're prompted to select an artboard size. We'll go with standard dimensions for now. Once we're in the editor, we have a variety of tools over on the left sidebar. Starting from the top, you see the My Projects tab, which shows you all of your current and previous projects and also allows you to start a new one. The Templates tab will allow you to search through templates just like you saw on the homepage, and you can filter them by category in the top left drop-down menu. You can also search as well. The Text tab is where you can add new text blocks to your artboard or choose a text preset, decorated text effects, and even badge designs and titles. The Elements tab is where you'll access thousands of shapes and frames, illustrations, and so much more. You can easily search for what you're looking for here in the top search bar. The Uploads tab is where you can upload your own images, art, or even SVG elements to use in Kittl. The Photos tab allows you to search thousands of stock photos that you can use in both personal and commercial projects. The Textures tab is where you can add various textures to your design like paper, grain, and many more. Now let's edit a design. From the Templates tab, let's choose a template. Everything you see on the artboard is customizable from the text, shapes, colors, and more. I can easily click in to change my text and make any changes over on the right side panel, like finding a different font or editing the size. I can also move elements around if needed and change my colors by selecting an object and then using the colors feature over in the right side menu. Once finished, to share your design, click on the share button and choose your desired output like Facebook or Pinterest. Or to download your design, select the download button where you can make DPI adjustments, remove the background, and choose the type of file you want to download. There are so many things to explore in Kittl, and we barely scratched the surface, so be sure to check out our extended tutorials on our YouTube channel to become a Kittl master and unleash your creative power.